Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So today again we are here for learning science. In science we learn about different type of things, different type of animals, different type of food and many other things. We also learn about different atmosphere, different places where animals live and many other things, right? So in science we learn about nature, we learn about things and we learn about our body, right? So all these things we learn in science. So let's start our today's lecture. As you know, I am your science teacher Mubassira Miss from Mahdi School, and today we start our first lesson. Till now we revise our bridge course, but today we start our new lesson. So as you know, I am your science teacher Mubassira Miss. So we learn many things in science. So today we start our first lesson. The name of this lesson is You and Your Surroundings. So this lesson is about surroundings. We learn about surroundings and we also learn that how we get good surroundings and why we need good surroundings, because we all live, right? So we need some things to live, and this lesson is about surroundings. So this lesson is about your surroundings, right? So let's start our today's lecture. Again, I am your science teacher Mubassira Miss from Mahdi School, and today we start our first lesson, lesson number 1. And what is the name of this lesson? You and your surroundings. So let's start our first lesson. But first, before we start our lesson and today's topic, first let's see one beautiful line. So let's start our today's topic with this beautiful line. The line is, you can't change your future, but you can change your habits, and surely your habit will change your future. What is meaning of this sentence? That you can't change your future, but if you want to make your future good, so what you have to do? You have to change your habit. For example, if you want to learn, so you have to regularly attend the classes, right? If you want to walk, so you have to get up early, right? So if you change your habits, it will change your future. So what is the line? You can't change your future, but you can change your habits, and surely your habit will change your future. So you can understand with this line that if you want to make your future bright, so what you have to do? You have to change your habits. If you are not attending class, if you are not doing homework regularly, then you cannot learn, right? So that's why if you want to change your future, if you want to be good human beings, healthy body, if you want to make your body healthy, right? So you have to eat healthy food, right? So like that, if you change your future, you get good life. And for changing your future, you need to change your habits. So again I repeat this line. You can't change your future, but you can change your habit, and surely your habit will change your future. Right? So with this beautiful line, let's start our today's topic. So today we start our new lesson. From today we start our science textbook. So our first lesson of the textbook is you and your surroundings. Lesson number 1, you and your surroundings, right? So let's start our today's first topic, surroundings. So when you see and when you read this lesson name, you can see that the name of this lesson is you and your surrounding. You can understand the word you and your, but what is surroundings? So this word surroundings is new for you. So in this lesson we learn about surrounding, what is surrounding, and when you understand the meaning of this word, you can easily understand everything that we learn in this lesson, right? So you and your surroundings. What is the name of this lesson? Lesson number 1, you and your surroundings. So when we see this word, you think in your mind that what is surroundings? So let's see. So this is the topic. First question of this lesson is, what is surroundings? So think in your mind, what is surroundings? Here you can see the picture of house, and you can see garden also. Alright. So now this topic is related to house. Not only house, many things related to this topic. But here the first question is, what is surroundings? So think in your mind, what is surroundings? So what is the spelling of this surroundings? SURROUNDINGS, right? So here you can see the picture of house, right? So now as you can see here the house, right? So if you are there near the house, this is house, right? So if you are there near the house, so what is your surrounding? This is house. You can see this is house, right? Now if you are here, right? If you are here, just imagine if you are here. So this house is your surrounding. Understand? What is surrounding? Where you are here, where you are, wherever you are going, this is your surrounding, right? So when you see this house, your surrounding is garden. If you are near the house, your surrounding is garden and house. If you are inside the house, your surrounding is the house. If you are in living room, your surrounding is looking like living room, right? So the area which is around you is surroundings. Again, right? So here is house. If you are here, your surrounding is house and garden. So first question is, what is surroundings? So let's write this definition of surroundings. What is surrounding? So I write here the definition. The area around us called surroundings. It means when you are in your home, in living room, your surrounding is living room, right? So what you are having in living room? TV and sofa and many other things. If you are going to school, your surrounding is campus and garden and teachers and blackboard and many other things. If you are going in garden, you can see there swings and you can see there seesaw. If you are going in fair, so your surrounding will change. So wherever you are going, the area near you or around you is called surroundings. The word is very big, but you can understand this word because when you are going any place, your surrounding will change, right? So the area which is around you is surroundings, right? So let's see something. And what is the surrounding? The area around us is called surroundings. What is surroundings? The area around us is called surroundings. So let's see one picture. This picture shows you the meaning of surroundings. Here you can see one boy and girl. You can see. This boy and girl are standing here, right? This is their house, and here you can see trees, and you can see here flowers, you can see here house also, right? So when this boy and girl standing here, this all place is surrounding of this boy and girl. So this all is area around them, right? So now this area is called surroundings, right? So now you can understand the meaning of surroundings, right? Here you can see the boy and girl is here, right? So they are standing here, right? And the area, here you can see the blinking circle. This blinking circle is area which is around this boy and girl, right? So now you can understand what is surrounding. They are standing here and this area around them is called surroundings. What we called it? We called it surroundings. So if this boy and girl going inside the house, the surrounding will change. If they are going in school, the surrounding will change. But right now they are standing in the garden, and the area which is around their house and around the garden is called surroundings, right? So now you can understand easily what is surrounding. Wherever you are, the area around you is called surroundings. So this blinking circle you can see here, this blinking circle is called surroundings. Again I repeat, the person or the house is not the surrounding, but the area which is around this boy and girl is surroundings, right? So you can understand about surroundings, and you can also understand that how we see the different thing around us, and these all things are our surroundings, right? So So now you can understand that what is meaning of surroundings. The area around us is called surroundings, right? Now let's write what you see around this boy and girl. You can see tree, you can see house, you can see flower, and you can see other tree, right? So these all are surrounding of this boy and girl. Now here you can see boy and girl, and what you see around this boy and girl. Let's write house, House. So here you can see the house, right? So I write here the spelling of house, right? So here you can see house, tree. So here you can see tree. Here is tree, here is tree, here is tree, right? Garden. So they are standing in the garden. The house is back side, but you are standing here in the garden. So in garden you can see the flowers also. So you can see here the flower also. You can see here small plants. You can see here sand also. You can see here other plant also. So these all are the things which you see around this boy and girl. So which things we can see around them? House. So here is house. Tree. So here is tree. So many tree you can see here. Garden. So here is the garden you can see, and flower. So here you can see the flowers also. So the surrounding, you can see here this surrounding, and what you see in this picture, you can see in this picture this all things, right? So this all things you can see in this picture, and this is the surrounding of this boy and girl, right? So when this boy and girl going anywhere, so the surrounding of this boy and girl will change, right? So let's see what we learn in this picture. So here you can see the children, and you can see here their surrounding, right? So here is children, and here is the area around this boy and girl, and what we called it? We called it surroundings, right? So the boy and girl is not standing there, and I divide them and I separate them, and then you can understand that this boy and girl is here, and the area around them is called surroundings. So what is surrounding? I am again repeat, the area around us is called surroundings, right? So you can see here the boy and girl, and this boy and girl are near the house. So the area around them is called surroundings. So when you are moving from one place to other place, your surrounding will change. For example, you are going to market. So what you see in the market? You can see the vegetable shop, you can see the fruit shop, you can see many other shop, right? So is your surrounding is same as your school when you are going school and when you are going market? So the area is same? No. Why? Because we can see the different type of things in our school, and the market is different from our school, right? So the area around us change when you are going or you moving from one place to other place, right? So the area around us is called surroundings, right? Now let's move on. What is your surroundings when you are in the school? Right now, because of COVID-19, you all are at home, right? So we are not coming to school, right? So but when you are going to school, the area around you will change. For example, when you are in LKG or UKG, right? So at that time you went school, right? So what is your surrounding when you are in school, right? Tables, chairs, teacher and blackboard and many other things. This is your surrounding, right? But right now you all are at home, so your surrounding is different. You are learning, you are study, right? And you attend Google classes, you see the videos and many other things, but you not having benches and tables and blackboard and teacher around you. You are learning, you are writing, you are doing everything which you do in school, but you are not having the things which are in our school, right? So what is your surrounding when you are in school? So let's go school and finding. Here you can see the picture of school, right? So you can see the children here, 4 children here, and what is surrounding of school? So here you can see the picture of school, and you can see the garden also. So most of the school are having garden, right? So now you can understand the boy and girl is near the house. The surrounding is different. When they are going to school, the surrounding is changed, right? So with this you can understand that the surrounding will change when you are going one place to other place, right? So this is the surrounding when you are going school, right? Still you are not going inside the school, you are near the school, right? So these are the students in the area around them. These are the students, right? And the area, this is the area around them, is surroundings, right? So now let's see when you are going to school. So different type of school are having different type of surroundings. For example, here you can see the school and you can see the playground also, you can see the slides also, you can see the tree and garden also, you can see here swings also, and you can see here students are going inside the school. So when you are going one place to other place, your surrounding will be changed. So these children are here and the area around them, this is the area around them, is called surroundings, right? So this thing you understand better, and what you see here, you can see here swings, you can see here slides, right? So this is the you can see here trees also, you can see here flower also. So things you can see near them also in the surroundings. Here you can see the different type of schools. So here you can see the things are changed. Here you can see basketball court. You can see different kind of instrument with them students are playing, right? You can see jumping, you can see the slide, elephant, and this is the school. Maybe it is the nursery school, and mostly this type of playing things we can see in nursery, right? So this different type of things you can see here, right? And here you can see maybe it is sports day, so when you are going to school, so at that time you can see the different type of things. So here the surrounding will change, and here is the school. And which school it is? It is Mahdi school. So this is our school. When the school will open, at that time you are coming here. Because of COVID, we are not going to school, right? So you can see here, this is the campus of our school. You can see here the garden also, trees also, and basketball court also. So you can understand how your school is looking. When you are nursery, at that time you can see the sand play also. The building is different, but now you are in first standard, so your surrounding will change, right? So what is your surrounding when you are in classroom? So when you are in school, your surrounding. So when you are going into the classroom, your surrounding will change. So here is the picture of classroom, and when you are going into the classroom, you can see here the things like table, chair, and you can see here the projector. So this is your surrounding when you are going into the classroom. You can see here table, chair, you can see here TV, you can see here blackboard, and you can see here chart also. So many things you can see here, globe, cupboard. These all things you see when you are into the classroom. So when you are in school, in playground, your surrounding is different. When you are in classroom for learning, your surrounding will change. So now you can understand that when you are going one place to other place, your surrounding will change. It is the normal classroom which is in our school. You can see here teacher, you can see here students, you can see here the surrounding of the school, right, of the garden, right? So you can understand that when you are moving from one place to other place, this is the surrounding of garden, right? So when you are going to play in the garden, your surrounding will change. Here you can see the students or the children are playing here, right? So the garden of the school is different from the public garden, right? So this is the picture of public garden, and you can see some people are walking here, running here, and children are playing here, right? So this is the surrounding. When you are in market, what is your surrounding? So here you can see the picture of market. You can see mall also, restaurants, many shop, different type of shop you can see into the market. For example, here you can see fruit shop, you can see meat shop, vegetable shop, right? So these all things you can see into the market. You can see which type of things you see when you are going to market. You can see here vegetable seller also, you can see here fruit seller also, right? So when you are going different places, your surrounding. So what we learn today? Today we learn about surrounding. new word, surroundings. The area around us is called surrounding. We also learn that when we are going one place to other place, the surrounding will change, right? So I hope you all understand what we learned today, and I hope you all enjoy this lecture, right? So take care of yourself and stay healthy.